All right, so these series of videos are going to be all about trying to show you how to do a certain set of calculations that you need in order to find out whether your patient will survive. First, let's practice converting pounds, since we measure pounds in the United States, to kilograms, because all of our LD50s are in kilograms. So let's look at number 1 here, okay? So it says, what is the mass of a 132-pound human in kilograms? So our known is that we have 132 pounds, and our unknown is the mass, but more specifically in kg. Our conversion factor is right there. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Now, one of the things that's really extremely important is that when you're setting these up that you're using dimensional analysis. I understand that some of you can do the math in your head, and quite frankly, I don't care. Use it to double check your work. However, the objective is to use dimensional analysis because it provides both claim, evidence, and reasoning. If you cannot do that, that's not going to work. You're not going to achieve the objective. So in our case, our known here always goes first in our setup. And in that case, that's the 132 pounds. I'm trying to write that a little bit more clearly because right up here it looks like 130 to 1B. And we want that to be very clear. And make sure that your units are there. And we need to make a fraction out of this. We've talked about that before. We're either going to have 2.21 pounds over 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram over 2.21 pounds. And if we look at this, our pounds are at the top, so we need pounds at the bottom. So this is not the one we need. This is the one we need. We're going to put that in right there over 2.21 pounds. Anything at the bottom gets divided by. So in our calculator, we are going to put, trying to find a spot where that glare isn't so harsh. There we go. Is going to be let's turn it on first. 132 times 1 divided by whatever is on the bottom. And our answer there is 59.728. We're going to look back at our original problem that had 3 digits. This had 2. So our final answer, we're going to give it 2. Well, let's say that says 1 place past the decimal. We'll go with that. So we'll have 59.728 kilograms was our first answer. And our final answer, we're going to put 59.7 kilograms. Okay, now it's your turn to try to set up the next problem. How much does a 22-pound child weigh in kilograms? The setup is going to be very similar, only your known is going to change. Your conversion factors here and here will stay the same. Your turn.